Iceland.
Hey everyone, it's Wes here from Travel with Wes, and today I'm taking you on an incredible adventure into the freezing cold waters of Iceland. I recently completed a 2-week road trip across the Golden Circle in southern Iceland, and today's video highlights one of my favorite activities from that trip. We're going snorkeling at the Silfra Fissure, a once-in-a-lifetime experience where you'll be swimming between tectonic plates in crystal clear glacial waters. So grab your dry suits and let's dive into this amazing journey. Located within the beautiful Thingvellir National Park along the famous Golden Circle route, Silfra is a unique fissure between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. The best part, you can enjoy this activity all year round as the water temperatures remain consistently near freezing. For my own Silfra snorkeling adventure, I went with Adventure Vikings, a local tour company that provided everything I needed, including a dry suit rental. If you're staying in Reykjavik, then you can take advantage of their round-trip shuttle option. Or if you're like me, then you can spend the prior evening at the Thingvellir National Park campsite in your camper van before making the 5-minute drive over to the parking lot the morning of your activity.
A little nervous, hopefully I stay warm enough, but it should be a good time. So walk in about 5-10 minutes back towards where this activity starts. And then we'll be going with Adventure Vikings. Love the name. So they'll get us in our dry suit and then we'll be in the water.
Now let's talk about how to gear up for this incredible experience. Make sure to wear 2 pairs of warm socks, long underwear, and a long sleeve top underneath for extra warmth the morning of your activity. Be sure to dress thoughtfully so that you can comfortably get down to your base layer of clothing in a group setting. Once you're down to your socks and long underwear, Adventure Vikings will provide you with a thermal jumpsuit that goes on before your dry suit. Getting into the dry suit isn't the easiest task, but our guide Cristo was super helpful and made sure that everyone got into their gear without any issues. After everyone gets on their gear, your guide will provide you with an overview of Silfra and what to expect during your snorkeling activity.
Alright guys, welcome to Thingvellir National Park. My name is Cristo. I'm going to be one of your guides today. This is also the place where the North American and the Eurasian tectonic plates meet. So if you see over there, there's a big wall with people on top probably. Yeah, there's some people on top. That's the North American side. And then down that way, about 7 kilometers or 3 miles away, you can find the Eurasian tectonic plate. Today we're going to be snorkeling at Silfra. Silfra means silver in Icelandic. That's because when you see the water from the surface, it looks dark, sort of like metal, like silver, hence the name. In case you guys didn't know, we're going to be snorkeling in cold water, very cold water. It's 2 to 4 degrees Celsius all year round. That'd be roughly around 35 to 40 Fahrenheit. And even in summer, it's still cold. So we're here right now, at this point. We're going to walk around 2 minutes to get here. Once we get here, we get the fins on, the mask on, we take some photos, we get in the water. There's a platform. On the platform, we do the safety position, and then we start.
Upon completing this introduction, your group will make the short walk over to the steps that lead down into the fissure.
Lift up there, yep, that's it. Reaching here.
There we go.
Wow, I'm really flipped.
How's the water?
I can't feel it.
Yeah, it just feels like pressure.
Nice, that's good. All right, here we go. Feet are in. Oh, baby. Find this thing. Okay. We are in. So far, it feels quite nice, actually. Dry suit's doing its job. We're just staying here a while. Get used to this. Yeah, the water's so clear that when I put my GoPro under, see right through it.
Let's do this. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a safety position now. I will do it myself first, then you guys do it. Okay? So for now, you just me, right? Okay. Beautiful. Well done. You go next.
Although it was freezing outside, the thermal gear and dry suit do a great job of keeping you warm both in the water and outside of it. Since the water at Silfra remains at near freezing temperatures year-round, you really won't be that much warmer attempting this activity during the summer. I think visiting Silfra during the winter, when the landscapes of Thingvellir National Park are covered in snow, is absolutely the way to go for this activity. While it's a bit shocking when the cold water hits your face at first, you quickly realize how effective the dry suit is at keeping the rest of you warm and dry. Aside from a cold face and a little bit of water in your gloves, you'll stay completely dry and comfortable as you glide through the crystal clear water. Along the way, you'll enjoy views looking through some of the clearest water in the world. The combination of glacial meltwater and volcanic rock filtration create the impeccable conditions found at the Silfra Fissure. And guess what? You can even take a sip of the pristine glacial water while you're snorkeling. How cool is that?
But here. It's delicious.
Once we made our way through the Silfra Fissure snorkeling area, our guide Cristo was waiting at the exit platform to assist everyone with getting out of the water. After a short walk back to the staging area, you'll remove your gear and enjoy a cup of hot cocoa before wrapping up your afternoon on this adventure.
Feels good to get that off.
I can highly recommend Adventure Vikings as a reliable and knowledgeable tour operator for this activity. I had such an amazing time with Cristo and our group and would suggest anyone visiting Iceland during the winter include this activity on their itinerary. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure, and don't forget to check out my other guides for more travel planning resources to make your Iceland trip truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel with Wes for more exciting travel inspiration just like this. Until next time, safe travels and thanks for watching.